it's Christina, aka Miss Lomac, and I just wanted to come on and make a video to hold myself accountable. One of the things that I said I wanted to do this year was to follow through. So I thought if I made a video to let you guys know what kind of videos I'll be making, when I'm going to be posting them, and all of that other good stuff, that this was the perfect way to hold myself accountable, because I pride myself on being a woman of my word, or at least trying, at the very least. Okay, one of the things that I want to do is post a new video every Tuesday and Friday. Okay, and on Tuesdays I want my videos to be Teacher Talk Tuesday or Teacher Tip Tuesday, something relating to teaching. If it's not in the teaching profession, maybe even where I'm teaching something like DIYs. I like to do DIYs. Something teacher related. Okay? So those are the kind of videos I want to post on Tuesdays. The other day that I want to post videos would be on Friday. And on Friday, I'm going to call those videos, I'm going to call it Freestyle Friday. So, for Freestyle Friday, it'll be videos of all the many things that I'm interested in. So, it'll be hair videos, skincare videos, makeup videos. I mean, I don't really wear makeup except for a special occasion, but I do want to get more into makeup, you know. And I'm a new natural. I've been natural for about 2 years now, maybe 3 years now, and I'm trying to learn my hair and figure out what to do with what's what. So I'm gonna post videos about that on my hair journey, and also DIYs. I like to work with my hands, so I love making stuff and doing stuff, crafting, building things. So I'll have videos that do that as well. So DIY videos. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. Push the button. Push the button. Alright, that's it. Bye. See you later.